Welcome to Pediatric Pulse. Today we are going to learn about calculation of fluids in pediatrics. In our previous video, we had learned about calculation of weight in pediatrics. Calculation of fluids in pediatrics is based on the weight of the child. We have the bolus fluid and the maintenance fluid. It is important to know how to calculate fluids in pediatrics because we want to avoid fluid overload at all costs, which might bring worse problems like pulmonary edema. So for the bolus, we give 10 ml per kg, and for the maintenance, we use the disregard formula based on the weight of the child. Remember to check out on our previous video on how to calculate weight. So the disregard formula is also known as the rule of 150 and 20, which means the first 10 kgs you multiply by 100, the second 10 kgs you multiply by 50, and the remaining kgs over 20 you multiply by 20. Kindly remember not to go beyond 2400 ml per day, which is around 100 ml per hour. We have several examples here. We have a 7-month-old infant and a 7-year-old child. We need to calculate their bolus and the maintenance fluid. So the first thing you do, you get the weight of the two children. The 7-month-old, which is 7 plus 9 divided by 2, you get 8 kgs. And our 7-year-old, 7 times 2 plus 8, you get 22 kgs. For a 7-month-old with 8 kgs, the bolus will be 10 ml per kg. That is 10 times 8, you get 80 ml. For the maintenance, 100 ml per kg per day, 100 ml times 8, you get 800 ml over 24 hours. To get the flow rate, you get the total volume, which is 800 ml, divided by 24 hours, you'll get in ml per hour. That will be a flow rate. For a 7-year-old child who is 22 kgs, the bolus will be 10 ml multiplied by 22, you get 220 ml. For the maintenance, we still go back to our disregard formula, which is the rule of 150 and 20. The first 10 kgs by 100, we get 1000 ml. The second 10 kgs multiplied by 50, we get 500 ml. The remainder, which is 2, we multiply by 20, we get 40 ml. Then we calculate the total, that is 1000 ml plus 500 ml plus 40 ml, get 1540 ml over 24 hours. To get the flow rate, we take the total volume, you divide by time. That is 1540 divided by 24, you get your flow rate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.